Hello and welcome to the What's New video for Design Room 1 Sprint Release 2020-16. In this video we will highlight a number of improvements and demo a couple of them. We have continued to improve the authentication functionality. With this release we delivered Docker containers with support for authentication. It is now possible to authenticate from RPE to Design Room 1 server to generate reports. Automated export with AntScript is now possible with authentication enabled. Please refer to the documentation on the DevOps community or in your Design Room 1 installation. In the export wizard in the modeling client, there's an option to allow insecure connection to the Design Room 1 server. That option now also prevents certificate issues if the Design Room 1 server is configured to contact the Keycloak server with an HTTPS URL. Please note that authentication is still delivered as an experimental feature in this release. And as usual, there are a number of bug fixes and improvements. Let's jump to the demo. With just a few commands, you can be up and running with Design Room 1 and a Keycloak authentication server. Navigate to this GitHub repository. Here you will find the files you need and the instructions. Download the files and extract the zip file into a new directory. In this demo, I have Docker Desktop installed on Windows. In a command prompt window, navigate to the directory where we extracted the files. First we start the Keycloak service with the command docker compose up auth. When Keycloak is started, we can go ahead and execute the configuration script in its container. We need to set an environment variable to use authentication mode. Then we are ready to start the Design Room 1 container with the command docker compose up dr1. As this is a new install, we don't have any users yet. Go to Keycloak and create a user and set a password. Now we can log into Design Room 1 with the user we created. With authentication enabled, it's now possible to authenticate from RPE to be able to generate reports. All you need to do is to set the property drauth allow basic in server config JSON file to true. Here I have created a simple report template to list all designs on the Design Room 1 server. We generate the report by entering the URL for the Designs API and I add my credentials. Don't forget to set the authentication type to basic. And we can generate the report. That was all for this time. For more information, please visit the DevOps community. Thanks for watching this video.